Holy cow.
Oh, I smell like doo-doo. Because I think I am. I thought I knew it was little down with my head.
Holy cow.
Didn't see that coming, did ya?
Nope.
That was half throttle.
Holy cow.
I haven't hit full yet.
Hit full throttle, Dad. Dad, hit full. I didn't know you can do that halfway and fast. But I didn't know you could fly them sometimes if you are not done, if you crash them. I didn't know you can crash them instead of land them. Did you? I didn't know that. Black sheep, bop, bop, bop! Yeah, bop, bop! Ah! Yeah!
Bring it in from my right.
Wow! Dad, don't turn it off, it's gonna crash.
Come on, get down.